Welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths by RK Sir. We have to solve example number 8, exercise 8.2. Here it is given that sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2 and cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. And A plus B, the value of A plus B is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 90, where angle A is greater than angle B. Then find the value of angle A and angle B. Now, given that, solve. It is given sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2. Here sin theta, here is sin. So we have to find this value in the sin, in the form of sin. It is given sin, here is given sin. So we have to find this value in the form of sin. So sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to the sin 30 degree. Clear? 1 by 2 is equal to the sin 30 degree. So we can replace this value with sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree. This sign will be transferred from side left to right. This will be cancel out and become A minus B is equal to sin 30 degree. You just equation first. Clear? And cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. Here cos is given. So we find 1 by 2 in the form of cos. Here is cos. So we find 1 by 2 in the form of cos. Cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree. Clear? This cos will be transferred from left to right and will be cancelled. So A plus B is equal to 60 degree. This will be equation second. Now from equation first and equation second, we eliminate both equation first and second and find the value of A and B. Here A minus B is equal to 30 degree and A plus B is equal to 60 degree. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Here we change the symbol of this second equation because from first equation from equation first minus equation second. So minus minus and minus, this will be cancel out because it is plus and it is negative. Minus b becomes minus 2b is equal to plus 30 minus 60, it will be minus 30. B is equal to, it will be transfer from left to right and becomes minus 30 upon minus 2. B is equal to 15 degree. Minus will be cancel out from minus and answer is only 50. B is equal to 15 degree. Now put B is equal to 15 degree in equation number first. We have to A minus B is equal to 30. So A minus 15 degree is equal to 30 degree. A minus 15 will be transferred from left to right and become plus, so 30 plus 15 degree. Angle A is equal to 30 plus 15 is equal to 45 degree. So angle, we have to get angle A is equal to 45 degree and angle B is equal to 15 degree, and both are less than 90 or equal to 90. Both are less than 90 and greater than 0. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.